Hello everyone, I'm Vivian and this is your Cyber Brief powered by CybLynx, where we break down the latest threats, breaches and trends in cybersecurity so you can stay informed and stay protected. Let's get into it. Headline number 1, Chrome under active attack. Google just confirmed a zero-day vulnerability, CVE 2025-6554, actively exploited in the wild. It affects the Chrome V8 engine, which handles JavaScript. Attackers are using this flaw to gain control through malicious websites. Action: update Chrome to version 138.0.72 or 4.96 or higher immediately on all devices. Headline number 2, PDF phishing scams. Evolve hackers are sending fake invoices and legal notices via PDFs that appear to come from companies like PayPal, Microsoft, and DocuSign. These files trick users into calling phone numbers, but on the other end is a scammer. Why it matters: traditional phishing tools often don't flag these PDFs. Tip: never call a number listed in a suspicious document. Verify directly through the official website. Headline number 3, fake wallet extensions in Firefox. Over 40 malicious crypto wallet extensions have been found on the official Firefox store. These add-ons steal user credentials and drain accounts. If you're using Firefox for Web3 or crypto, review your installed extensions now. Headline number 4, major vendor breaches, Qantas and Kelly benefits. Qantas experienced a data breach through a third-party vendor, impacting over 6 million customers. Kelly Benefits reported a breach affecting 550,000 individuals, again through a vendor platform. Lesson: third-party risk is real. Make sure your vendors follow strict cybersecurity protocols. Security trend to watch: malware-free attacks are the new normal. Nearly 80% of current cyber attacks don't use traditional malware. They mimic normal user behavior instead. That means your antivirus and firewalls might not detect them. Solution: shift your defense strategy toward behavior-based analytics and zero-trust architecture. CybLynx recommendations: patch fast, Chrome, WordPress plugins, Cisco UC, and browser add-ons. Upgrade MFA, move away from SMS-based 2FA to app-based or hardware-based solutions. Train your teams, especially on modern phishing and callback scams. Review vendor contracts, ensure they meet your security requirements. That's your Cyber Brief powered by CybLynx. I'm Vivian, reminding you to stay alert, stay patched, and stay protected. Want this brief frequently? Follow CybLynx. Visit CybLynx for more cybersecurity insights and free resources. Until next time, stay safe, stay secure.